Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Dikshit and this is my channel Pentest Diaries. So today I'll make another video of the same series of Solidity programming series, and in this video itself it's the same concept which we have discussed about data types, and at that time I have not showcased you the code of it. So I'll just have that code for it. That was the reason I'm just making this video. So this is a Boolean data type in the Solidity itself. So in this I'll just try to explain you, like if we have a condition over there, so where we have to utilize a Boolean type of data type, then how can we utilize that itself. It's a small video having a small code itself and logic. I'll just try to use it over there itself. So before proceeding further with the practical part, we just have to see the theory part first. So in Solidity, the Bool data type is used to represent a Boolean values which can have one of two possible states. So what it means, like either we have a true or we have a result as false. So these are the only two results we can get it in case of Boolean itself. Boolean values are often used in condition statement, logical operations, and to control the flow of the smart contract execution. So wheresoever there is a requirement of the condition statement, where there is a requirement of the logical operations, at that time only we have to utilize that Boolean inside of the smart contract execution itself. Okay, so wheresoever it's required, we have to use that. Now if we're talking about the Boolean values are commonly used to control the logic and behavior of a smart contract. They are integral to conditional statement, loop control, and other decision making constructs in Solidity itself. If we're talking about the actual code itself, so we'll see the code also, like we'll see the code, how exactly the Boolean data types we get utilized in a smart contract itself using the if and else itself. I'll just make a code over there itself. So let me go to the system now, showcase you how we can utilize that Boolean data types. Okay, let me go to the system now. So now let me go to the browser where we have that remix ID is already open for us, and this is the actual code for it where we trying to use the Boolean data type itself. So this is a straightforward syntax. We just have to define the contract name as array itself. Now if we're talking about the state variable itself, so we have defined it, mentioned as a bool. This is a Boolean type of variable, so that was the reason we are using a keyword as bool, and the value is true itself. We are defining it by default itself from our side. Now if we're talking about the function itself, so in functions we are giving one input. That input will try to get it compared with our condition itself. So that was the reason we are taking one input, that is an unsigned integer we are taking input, and we are returning the output. So whatever that output, either a true or false, that output we trying to get it, return it back. So that was the reason we are using a returns also. Now if we go inside of the to function, going inside of the if and else condition itself, so in case of if, we are just defining a should be greater than 100 itself, and in that case the value will be true and the return value will be true. So whenever this condition is fulfilled, so the return value will be true itself. But if you're talking about, like if I'll just put a value which is either equal to 100 or less than 100 itself, then in that case this is the condition fulfilled and the value will become false, like the value will be getting defined as a false itself and the return value will be false itself. So let me run the code now for you, and you can able to get the result about it. So let me deploy that over here itself. We'll just try to put 101 initially. So in this case it should be written true. Okay, so we'll click on the value and we can see it's true. If I'll put 100 and click on check once again and try to see the value, it become false. So in both the situation itself, we can see like we just define a true or false and we can get the output accordingly itself. So that's a small concept which I just want to get it covered in this video itself. I hope you like this video itself. It's nothing like a lot of things I just want to get it covered in this video, but it's a Bool data type, how to get it utilized in it. That's one of the things I just want to cover in this video itself. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to provide some feedback, you can provide the feedback in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.